Hello, people. So I'm sitting at the ruins of this. The place I'm sitting is really beautiful. Just take a look. This is some kind of church, and where I'm sitting is the ruins of what would have once been a church. And what is a bit freaky is, I don't know. Last time when I tried to come and sit here, there were the 2 3 dogs who normally ruins like this become the territory of these stray doggies. So I'm a little nervous that some stray dog shouldn't appear from somewhere. And for some reason, sometimes there's that fear that I don't know, stray dogs, yeah, and territories and all of that. So anyway, so class got over. It is around 5:30 in the evening right now as I'm recording this, and I brought myself here. I've been eating a lot of these chips and all. I have no idea why, but I don't know. It makes me happy. So junk food in the evening is good. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.